got more cars pulling up. We got the bikes. Got a bunch of the Hyundais. And then I'm gonna show the cars over here. Here we got all these. And I'm with my two girls. I'm with the girls. All right, so we got Charger, 2 M4s, I believe. GTI, Volvo, Mercedes. Oh my gosh, look at the kids. Volkswagen GTIs. This is like all GTIs over here. All right, so we got all the GTIs here. There's a Audi, there's a Scion, and another Volkswagen. And look, he's moving it around. Oh my gosh, I wish. Look at this, look at this.
Mama, here, come.
Let me run. Let me run, let me run. I love it. So we got this yellow Infinity. Oh, look at what's behind it. Does that say Rocket Bunny? And then look at this guy's car. And oh my god, got an older car. Hyundai. I think this is an Evo. These are nice. Whose car's this?
Not mine.
Not yours. Where are you from? I like how lower this Volvo is. No camber. This Mercedes is nice. Plate delete. This is completely bagged unless it's got some older cars here. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh, I love this one. They have an ice cream truck here too. This is in Tewksbury. Look at the engine. Oh my gosh. We got the Subis right here. We got a GTR over here. All right, so Subi, GTR, Ford, Infinities, mad Infinities. Oh my gosh. We got an Alfa Romeo. We got 2 Mazdas. Getting more of the Subis with the lights. Look at the wheels. I'll tell you it in 1 second. Another video of all the Hyundais. And more of the bike. Taking a little video of it. It's cool. We got a Miata. We got a Miata pulling up. Uh-oh, what's he doing? An older Civic. I love how low this Volvo is. And the wheels are beautiful. This Mercedes is also lowered, might be bagged. And then this GTI or Golf is definitely bagged. And I love the wheels. And I think this is paint and not wrap, so pretty dope. Getting a video of this car. Sorry, I'm just getting a video. I love this car. We got this lifted Jeep with the American flag flashing blue and red lights. Cute, look at this Chevy. We got these. So this is a Ford 1937 Slamback? Slantback.
If you look
All right.
at the back of that, it's slant.
It's slanted. I'm gonna squeeze through and get this on video. I love it. The colors are beautiful. I very rarely see these because it's a 37. Oh yeah, the slant back. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, guys. Guys, look at the license plate. No, you're good. Creamsicle, because look at the colors. Oh my gosh. We got this nice old Chevy. It's pretty cool. Look at this, and look at the interior. Beautiful. Hey, let's go. I love it. Thank you. There's more fireworks going. I feel like people are gonna start revving their cars when the finale goes off. gosh, I love it.